Hello students, welcome back e-classes of Computer of Standard 12th. Let's start our next chapter, chapter number 4, Introduction to E-Commerce. Let's start with introduction. We are living in the era of information. Information is available from sources like radio, television, newspaper and internet. The availability of internet and mobile devices has changed the way we used to access information. Earlier, websites were used mainly to disseminate, means spread, information about the product or organization. For example, website of an educational institute provides information regarding various courses, course content, students and its faculties. Similarly, business organization provide information regarding their products, features of the product, their suppliers, how to order the products and so on. Last few decades, due to tremendous development in telecommunication, infrastructure and software technologies, Internet has become popular among the individuals as well as business organizations. Today, Internet is being used by people for various purposes like paying bills, banking, and even shopping. Business organizations conduct activities like marketing of the product, selling of the products, providing catalog, trading of the stocks, and customer service. The use of internet for conducting such business activities is known as e-commerce. E-commerce is commonly known as electronic marketing. E-commerce can also be defined as buying and selling of products, services, and information using electronic media like internet. It is modern business methodology. It also increases the speed of delivery. Selling the products through website is the fastest growing method of trading worldwide. Many different type of products and services such as books, electronic gadgets, cars, holiday packages and many more are traded online. E-commerce creates a whole world of a global village from where anyone can buy anything anytime and from anywhere. The process of e-commerce start with the customer and complete it on customer. You can understand this process with this figure. Bill Gates wasn't kidding when he said, if your business is not on the internet, then your business will be out of business. Next topic is applications of e-commerce. The major areas of business and commercial activities where e-commerce is widely used today include trading of goods, which comprises of marketing and selling, auctions of goods, financial services like banking and insurance. Let's discuss these areas briefly. First application of e-commerce is internet bookshops. This was one of the first applications of e-commerce on internet. Customers prefer purchasing books on internet as they do not require to be physically checked and can be easily described. Online bookstore need a good website displaying all the books category wise, picture of cover page, description of books including the number of pages, price of book, discounts and reviews of other customers. The search of book can be made by title of the book, author's name or publication name. The online bookstores may also be record the customer's interest and inform them about new arrivals to attract and retain their interest. Some of the large online bookstore websites are www.amazon.com, www.shoppingindiatimes.com, www.buybookindia.com, www.bookshopofindia.com. Second application of e-commerce is electronic newspaper. An electronic newspaper, also known as e-newspaper. E-newspaper is a newspaper that exists on the internet in digital form. It has advantages over the printed newspaper and the news broadcasted on television and radios. It can give us up-to-date news on issues that are happening worldwide. With the advent of digital technologies, the browser can be set to select the news as per the interest of the reader. It also removes the hassle of printing process and further help in reducing the cost. Majority of the leading newspapers now provide e-newspaper to the readers. Example www.epaper.timesofindia.com, www.sandeshepaper.in, www.divyabhaskar.co.in. This figure shows the homepage of e-newspaper Washington Post. We will continue some other applications of e-commerce in next video. Thank you, students.